I get asked by moms all the time how to achieve a sleek high puff. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly that. I'm going to show you how to achieve a sleek high puff tutorial for toddlers. Hey guys, welcome back. It's me again. It's Novella from Naturally Crowned. For all your kids' natural hair tips, advice and tutorials, you're in the right place. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you've been here and you stuck with me, thank you for sticking with me. Okay, so before we start, I'm going to moisturize my daughter's hair slightly. Her hair is already kind of moisturized, but I want to add a bit more moisture to her hair before I start to slick her hair and put it into a high puff. Guys, so if you remember my video on my favorite tools for my kids' natural hair, this white brush that I used to use when my daughter was a newborn is the same brush I'm using in today's video. Now, it is very gentle, it's not hard at all. The bristles are very soft, and this is what I've been using to brush her edges, her nape, basically her hairline, and it keeps her edges smooth. It doesn't cause any breakage because it's not rough at all. It just does the job, and I love it. Okay, so I'm now applying the curls control paste to my daughter's hairline, her edges. This particular control paste, I use it to actually smooth her edges, just to give her that sleek look to her hair. Now, one thing to note is that with this particular control paste, it is not going to keep your daughter's hair in place the whole day for hours. It's just not going to do that. It's just going to smooth the edges, and that's the purpose why I use this particular control paste, because it gives it a nice shine. It also gives it that smoothness and that sleek look without making it look too cakey, without making it hard or anything like that. It's just really going to make her edges appear smoother and her hairline appear smoother and her nape. there you have it, guys, my sleek high puff tutorial. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and share with anyone that you feel may benefit from watching. See you next week.